I'm going to show you how you can post HD videos on TikTok. Get that nice quality so you could gain followers and views very fast. So this is how you do it. So when you're just about ready to post your video, as you can see I have my video here, go ahead and press the bottom right, the next button. So you get in the process of actually uploading, adding the bio, in a way description, all that stuff, the hashtags. Now here at the bottom, pretty much all the way at the bottom, right below the allow stitch button, press the more options button that has an arrow on the side of it. Go ahead and click it. And mine's already toggled on, but on default, yours will be set on off. So you're going to want to put it from this into this, where it's green. Allow high quality uploads. You're going to want that if you want to actually gain followers and all that good stuff. Otherwise, people will be seeing some blurry stuff or just not very good quality stuff. So make sure to turn this on, and when you upload your video, it will be looking nice and crisp for your followers.